In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Deliveroo vehicle type. Bike, scooter, car. Before we begin, make sure you've got a stable internet connection and the latest version of the Deliveroo app installed. It also helps to have your rider ID handy, along with any documents you might need if you're moving to a motorized vehicle. Start by opening the Deliveroo app on your phone. From the home screen, look to the top area and tap on Profile. This takes you into your account section. Next, tap on Become a Rider. Even if you're already delivering with Deliveroo, this area links to the rider resources and help articles you'll need for changes like this, so it's the right place to be. At the top left of the screen, tap the Deliveroo logo. This brings you back to the main help or navigation area where you can search. Now tap into the search bar, type the phrase change vehicle, exactly like that, and then press enter or the search key on your keyboard to run the search. From the results, select the article titled How Can I Change My Vehicle Type? This article contains the official steps and the request form you need. Inside the article, look for the link that says clicking here and tap it. That link opens the form where you can submit your vehicle change request. When prompted, confirm you want to continue by tapping yes. You'll now see fields to complete. Enter your first and last name exactly as they appear on your Deliveroo rider account. Then, provide the email address linked to your rider account, making sure there are no typos so support can reach you. Enter your rider ID as well. If you're unsure where to find it, it's usually visible in your rider profile or on your pay statements. From here, simply follow the on-screen process to finish. You'll be asked to choose your new vehicle type, bike, scooter, or car, and depending on your region and vehicle choice, you may be prompted to upload documents such as your driver's license, proof of insurance, or other eligibility documents. Make sure your details match your account information, your photos are clear, and any documents are valid and in date. Once everything looks good, submit the request. Keep an eye on your email and your in-app notifications for confirmation or any follow-up instructions. Processing times can vary, so don't worry if it doesn't switch instantly. If you don't see the change after approval, try closing and reopening the app or signing out and back in. That's it. Your vehicle type change is on its way. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your next shift.